just 40 kilometers from Bangalore. I mean, this is not Nandi Hills. So guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching What's Rakesh Up To. Guys, join me outside Chikbalapur and welcome back to an episode of Around Bangalore. So like I said, I'm right outside Chikbalapur. Chikbalapur is around 45-50 kilometers from Bangalore. So I just stopped here to give an intro because it's early in the morning and I think the time is around 6:30 in the morning. So where are we headed today? So we'll be heading to Dandiganahalli Dam. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about this, but I thought I'll do a video because I like this place a lot. It's a lake. I have a small dam also. So let's see what's that lake up to. So guys, almost near Dandiganahalli Dam, but I just wanted to show you the road that leads to that place. So there are no roads from the last I think 2 to 3 kilometers, and yeah, it's very bumpy and it's just I mean, there are no roads existing here. So if you're coming in a car that has low ground clearance again, so just be a little careful. There are big rocks on the road. I think I'm almost close to that. My map says 2 minutes, so it should be right there. Almost there, guys. So guys, we made it to Dandiganahalli Dam. Just going up the last slope. Yes, this is the place. Yes. So guys, this is Dandiganahalli Dam. So it's very green because of the rain, and I don't know if you can see, it's drizzling very lightly, but not in a way where it is disturbing us or anything. So yeah, approximately this place is around 70 to 80 kilometers from Bangalore, depending on where you stay. So it's good for sunrise and sunset, but again, this is monsoon, so no much sun we can expect today. So I've just parked up my car over there. So if you come later, I think later that shop will be open. That's a small tea stall, and there are some local lights there, and there's a small dam over there which the water goes out of, and yeah, this place is really beautiful, man. So again guys, if you come here, do not do this. Please keep such places clean and tidy. So I'm going to the side where there is a place you can walk on. I'll just show you guys. So this is the dam, and I'll be going there. This is lush green valley, man. Very beautiful. There are some paddy fields over there that I don't know if the GoPro is capturing it, but looks very green. This is the whole valley. So if you guys come here by bikes, right, you can, I think you can climb up a little more. I don't know what's on the other side, I've never been there, but yeah, looks like a forest or something. But yeah, be careful when if you come in bikes. This is really slippery. Oh, you guys need to be careful. And this is kind of scary because the metal is shaking a lot, but yeah, it's worth it. Yeah, so this is the view. Hope you guys like the drone shot. So there we had some company. As in we had other people come in, so thought I'll just give them privacy. And I start walking towards my car. So yeah. So come and check this place out. Let me know how it is. And I mean, it's cloudy. Even if it was not cloudy, and you would have still liked it. I mean, the sunrise here is really nice, and even the sunset. So you can come here sunrise, sunset, or when it's raining like this. So if you've already visited this place, do let me know in the comment section. And if not, after you come and visit this place, let me know how you liked it. So the plan is to get some breakfast somewhere on the highway. So it's the Nandi Hills highway, right? So you will find some places to have breakfast. So I thought I'll stop there, have some breakfast, and then maybe head out. That's the plan for now. Now I'm just sitting and just enjoying this view. It's crazy, right? So yeah. I've come here earlier when it was not this green, but yeah, always check it out in monsoon. You'll like it. So you can also carry your own breakfast. I didn't want to do that today. I thought of eating some idlis. So if you're coming here, if you get your own breakfast also, not a bad view for having breakfast, right? And also I can see a little bit of sun peeping out of the clouds. I don't have any expectation that the sun will be out, but yeah. So yeah, come here with a lot of if you come here with your gang, you'll have even more fun. So like I said, right, you have places there to explore. You can take a hike over there on top of these hills, and yeah, it's just beautiful, man. So like I said, right, the sunrise would be somewhere there, and Imagine a sun over there. So that's how beautiful this place would look early in the morning. So do come and check it out during sunrise and let me know. So I think I'll be heading out now. So let's say bye Dandiganahalli Dam. So this location is available on Google Maps, so you don't gets you to this exact spot I'm standing, so don't have to worry about the location. So yeah, see you guys later. So this is the same location that I started the video at. So drone shots in 3, 2, 1. You guys like that drone shot. So what happened was the drone was at around 200 meters altitude, and it's really foggy. I don't know if you can see. So this side it was foggy, and I thought I lost the drone because I know it has a detection and it can come back, but for a second I couldn't see the drone, and I was a little panicked. So let's head back towards that way. Spoon. And some rava dosa as breakfast. So see you guys later. Was the vlog for today. So I hope you guys like the place. So after Dandiganahalli Dam, so you saw me having some breakfast, so I went to A to B because there's nothing really great in that side of Bangalore. I mean, something that is really noticeable. So I went to that place just to have some light breakfast. Just got home, and hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked, you know what to do. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and do subscribe if not already. So until the next vlog, see you guys.